How to speed up Snapchat videos. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can speed up the Snapchat videos. So without further delay, let's move into this video. First of all, launch the Snapchat application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. So once you're here, you can either export a video from your memories or simply record a video here. So here I will just record a sample video for you all. Once you have your video either taken from your gallery or taken from your memories, now from here you have to swipe to your left. And there you will see various filters and effects loaded in this interface. So you keep on swiping until you have this forward or speed up icon on this interface. You can make it more faster or you can speed up more by choosing the next icon right here. This is basically the speed up icon. So here you can simply tap on save or send this video to someone as a snap in Snapchat. So this is the way you can speed up a Snapchat videos, and that's all for this tutorial. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.